In this video, we're putting two popular website builders to the test. It's Framer versus Wix. Which one is the right choice for you to build your next website? Let's find out together. Let's start with Framer. Framer is a modern and user-friendly website builder. It is known for its powerful design and animation tools. Think of it as a design tool and a website builder in one. You can create beautiful and interactive websites without writing any code. Framer started as a prototyping tool for designers. Now, it has become a full-fledged platform to build and publish websites. It feels a lot like using a design tool like Figma, which many designers love. This makes it very easy to learn, especially if you have some design background. But even if you are a complete beginner, Framer is simple to get started with. It has a clean and intuitive interface. You can drag and drop elements and see your changes in real time. Framer is great for creating stunning landing pages, portfolios, and marketing websites. It focuses on making your website look amazing and feel alive with animations. Framer's biggest strength is its visual editor. If you have used design tools like Figma or Sketch, you will feel right at home. You can design your website with complete freedom. Just drag elements like text, images, and buttons into the page. You can see exactly what your website will look like as you build it. This makes the design process very fast and fun. You don't need to guess how things will look after you publish. It also makes it easy to create responsive designs. This means your website will look great on phones and tablets too. Framer has smart tools that help you with this. You can focus on being creative and not on writing code. This makes it perfect for people who care a lot about design. Framer makes it incredibly easy to add animations to your website. You can make elements fade in, slide in, or move as you scroll. These effects can make your website feel much more modern and engaging. You can add these animations with just a few clicks. There is no need to learn complicated coding. You can also create interactions. For example, you can make a button change color when you hover over it. This helps guide your visitors and make your site more fun to use. These features are built right into Framer, so they work smoothly. You don't need to install extra plugins like you do with other platforms. If you want a website that really stands out with cool effects, Framer is amazing. It helps you create a very polished and professional look. Framer is an all-in-one solution for building a website. This means everything you need is included in one package. You don't have to find and pay for your own web hosting. Framer takes care of that for you. This makes getting your website online much simpler. It also means your website will be fast and secure. Framer optimizes everything to work well together. You also get a built-in content management system. This lets you easily manage content like blog posts or portfolio projects. For people who don't want to deal with the technical side of websites, this is a huge plus. You can focus on creating your website and Framer handles the rest. Framer is built for teams to work together. Multiple people can work on the same website project at the same time. This is great for design agencies or businesses with a marketing team. You can leave comments directly on the design. This makes it easy to give feedback and make changes. Everyone can see the latest version of the website in real time. There is no need to send files back and forth. This speeds up the design process a lot. It helps to make sure everyone is on the same page. If you are working with others on a website, Framer's collaboration features are a big advantage. It makes teamwork smooth and efficient. Framer has a few different pricing plans. There is a free plan that lets you try it out. You can build a website with it, but it will have Framer branding. The paid plans start at around $5 per month for a simple landing page. The most popular plans for personal or business websites are around $15 to $30 per month. These plans let you use your own custom domain name. They also give you more features and bandwidth, which is how much traffic your site can handle. For bigger teams and businesses, there are more expensive plans with more features. The price includes hosting, so you don't have that extra cost. Overall, Framer's pricing is clear and includes everything you need to get started. So, who is Framer for? Framer is perfect for designers and creative people. If you want a visually stunning portfolio, Framer is an excellent choice. It's also great for creating beautiful landing pages for new products. Small businesses that want a modern and stylish website will love it too. If you value design and ease of use over having thousands of features, Framer is for you. It's for people who want to build a beautiful website quickly without writing code. If you have used design software before, you will find Framer very easy to learn. It is a great tool for anyone who wants to create impressive websites with cool animations. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Wix. Wix is one of the most well-known website builders in the world. It's famous for being super easy to use, even for absolute beginners. Think of Wix as a giant box of Legos for building websites. It gives you all the pieces you need and lets you put them together easily. Wix offers hundreds of ready-made templates for almost any kind of website you can imagine. Whether you need a site for your restaurant, online store, blog, or photography portfolio, Wix has a template for it. You can see exactly what your site will look like as you build it. Wix aims to be an all-in-one solution. It provides not just the editor, but also web hosting, domain names, and huge app markets to add more features. It's designed for people who want to get a professional-looking website online without any technical stress. But is it as simple as it sounds? Let's dive into its best features. Wix's drag-and-drop editor is its most famous feature. It is very easy and fun to use. You can click on any elements on your page, like a picture or a text box, and move it anywhere. You are not stuck in a fixed layout. This gives you total creative control over your website's design. Imagine you want to put your logo in a very specific corner of the page. With Wix, you can just drag it there. You can also easily resize elements by pulling on their corners. This feature is great for beginners because you don't need to know any code. What you see on the screen is exactly what your visitors will see. This makes designing for your website a very visual and hands-on experience. Are you short on time or feeling a bit lost on design? Wix ADI is here to help. This is a super smart tool that builds a website for you. All you have to do is answer a few simple questions about your business or project. You'll tell it what your website is for, what features you need, and the style you like. Then, like magic, Wix ADI creates a unique website just for you. It picks out images, writes some text, and puts everything together in a beautiful layout. Of course, you can still make changes after it's done. You can edit the colors, fonts, and anything else you want. It's the fastest way to get a professional-looking website up and running. The Wix app market is like a treasure chest for your website. It has over 300 apps that you can add to your site to make it do more things. Do you want to sell things online? There's an app for that. Need to let people book appointments with you? There's an app for that too. You can find apps for blogging, social media, contact forms, and so much more. Many of these apps are free to use. Some have extra features that you can pay for if you need them. Adding an app is as simple as clicking a button. This makes it really easy to add powerful features to your website without needing to be a tech expert. Wix has a plan for everyone. They even have a free plan. The free plan is good for trying things out, but it has Wix ads on it. If you want to look more professional, you'll want a paid plan. The Lite plan is great for personal websites and costs around $17 a month. If you want to sell online, you will need the core plan, which is about $29 a month. For businesses that are growing, the business plan at around $36 a month offers more tools. And for big businesses, the Business Elite plan has everything you could need. Remember, you save money if you pay for a full year at once. Wix is perfect for people who want total creative freedom. If you have a very specific design in mind, Wix will let you build it. It's also great for beginners because it's so easy to use. Small business owners, artists, photographers, and bloggers will all find Wix very helpful. If you want a lot of features and the ability to add more with apps, Wix is a fantastic choice. So, Framer or Wix? Framer gives you incredible design power and stunning animations, perfect for designers who want to create a masterpiece. Wix offers unmatched ease of use and a fast track to getting a professional website online, ideal for business owners and beginners. The choice depends on what you value more, creative freedom or simplicity and speed. I hope this review helped you decide. If it did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.